All right, let's prove a trigonometric identity right now. Let's prove this tan squared theta minus sine squared theta on the left hand side should be equal to tan squared theta times sine squared theta. That's the problem. So let's work on the left hand side. LHS, tan squared theta minus sine squared theta. Now, if you remember, tan theta is nothing but sine theta over cos theta. So tan squared theta is nothing but sine squared theta over cos squared theta. So we simply write that down here. Again, let's remember. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta over cos theta, right? So tan squared theta is sine squared theta over cos squared theta. It's as simple as that. So now let's get back to the problem. Just remember these basic identities here. Okay. So now we can rewrite this as subtraction of two fractions, which is sine squared theta over cos squared theta minus sine squared theta over 1. Okay, so now if you take the LCM, which would be cos squared theta, and in the numerator we'd get cos squared theta goes 1, so it's sine squared theta minus sine squared theta multiplied by cos squared theta, as you can just see right there. Now we see that in the numerator we have a common factor, which is sine squared theta. We can see that sine squared theta is common. So if you take the common factor out, we can write it as sine squared theta multiplied by 1 minus cos squared theta over cos squared theta. Okay, we can rewrite this again. It's the same thing, just we can rewrite it more clearly as sine squared theta over cos squared theta multiplied by 1 minus cos squared theta, right? And of course we know that sine squared theta or cos squared theta is nothing but tan squared theta. That's a simple identity. So multiplied by 1 minus cos squared theta. Now we can see, it's getting to an interesting place. Let's remember one of the basic identities in trigonometry, which is sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1, which means that sine squared theta is nothing but 1. Sine squared theta is nothing but 1 minus cos squared theta. Right? So all we need to do is now substitute sine squared theta in the place of 1 minus cos squared theta. Right? So let's rewrite it again. Now we can write it as tan squared theta times sine squared theta, which is what we had on the right hand side, and hence we got the proof. Okay, so feel free to comment in the comment section below, ask questions. I will put in more tutorials, but feel free to request for tutorial topics or any specific trig identity problems you have. Okay, all right, thank you.